Hi, welcome to Vida Divina and welcome to the team Swapdom One. We are Supermen and Women Against Poverty, Disease, Obesity, and Misery. And Swapdom One is just like separate things that we are different. Okay, so when you get into the company, of course, it's a business, you want to get paid. This is the first thing you must do to get paid. Just take you there quickly now. Okay, so I show you how to log in, right? So you go to your www.vidadivina, put your ID. So let me just use this. Let me once it's logged in now. Once it's logged in, look towards your left, a tick using your mobile. You will see the tick. But if you're on your laptop, we are connecting to save the world. People are going to lose weight, they're going to feel better, they're going to sleep better, they're going to do better, they're some money, and I'm excited that you are the one that will help them to find this amazing solution. Okay, you can see it now. So you see, you click on that. If you're using, you just click on the verify account. Fantastic. It's just loading now. Now it's this upload part of it. Okay, so affiliate ID is the ID here. You can see that for this person is 2734901. You put that here. Your full name, your email address that you used to register with the company as a distributor. You want to fill that in there. And upload government ID. Now, SSN number means social security number. So if you are in the United States, social security number. So that, but for all other countries, you have your government ID. So your driver's license, your international passport, your national ID. What you want to do is upload that. Okay, upload government. So the next one also is the upload taxpayer ID thing right there. I don't know where that's going. Okay,